Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Intersection. In this video we'll see other functions that are used with arrays. They're built-in functions, PHP, and they are used in PHP. In this slide you see some of these array functions, but you can always go to php.net/functions and you will see more of these functions with examples. Let's look at these functions, some of them, not all of them, and how they work. So let's start. I opened Visual Studio Code and I created an array of numbers, because if I want to sum the values, they have to be numeric values. I created an array of so many numbers. First I echo the array and then do the summation. And here's the array in the original order, and that's the summation, 6018. The array underscore sum calculates the sum of all the values in the array. And here is the sort function, and then I'm going to echo the array one more time. So let's save. And here's the array sorted from the smallest value to the highest value. The highest value is 999. Let's do the reverse sort. Here's the reverse sort. Let's save and test. And here's the reverse sort from the highest to the lowest. Let's look at another important function that you will use to count the number of the elements in the array, and that is the count. So let's see what happens when we have the count, when we use the count function. Let's just get rid of those, or maybe comment them, and then save, and let's run it. And here's the array, has 15 elements. Here is an example of using the two functions, or reversing the order based on the key, kr sort and k sort. And I have to use an associative array, so I made an array of directors and movies, and so let's see how this will work. And here is the result. As we expected, the key starts with a Y will be the first one, and on the sorting itself it's going to be in alphabetical order, so the key that starts with an A is the first value. Go to php.net and check all the functions that are used with arrays, and practice and use this as a guideline. This is video on YouTube, so you can stop and freeze the screen and look at the code closely. And the more that you sit in a computer and program, the more that you become better at this day by day. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Bye bye now.